Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to finish this kind of bracelet for my Hiilos clasp. I did a peyote stitch band and I want to use 2 chain with it. You cannot just put the chain in the tube, you need something that will hold the chain inside the tube. So for that I'm using a cream cover, or I'm using a very small jump ring with a seed bead. The seed bead is a 11/0. And the cream cover is about a 2 millimeters cream cover. So I'm going to start with the cream cover and I'm just putting on the chain. And you close it. So the cream cover will form a little bead that you will slide in the tube. So for this one, I'm going to use this small jump ring and I'm adding on it a seed bead. This is an 11/0 seed bead and I'm just gonna put that on my chain and close the jump ring. Now I just have to put everything in the tube. So those tubes are pretty tight, but you can easily open them. I mean, making it larger. So first, you can open the little cap here. And I like using this knife because it's pointy and it's really thin. So I can just slide my knife inside and carefully you just twist a little to make the opening wider. Then I can take my flat nose pliers and I open even more. I don't use the flat nose pliers right away because I find out that I deform the tube and I damage my tube. So I prefer to start first with the knives. Now I can add the third chain so you can see the little seed bead's gonna go inside and this is what's gonna hold the chain inside the tube. Then I'm adding my peyote band and I can see that it's still a little tight, so I'm gonna open a little more. There we go. And for the peyote band here, at the end, I went through the last beads about 2 to 3 times to make those beads stronger. And now I can slide the tube. And then my chain. Now I just have to close the little cap and you can push a little more with your flat nose pliers and then gently squeeze the tube to make it tighter. Now I can just put everything in my clasp. And here is my bracelet.